what you are about to see.
Trivet. Don't bother. I'll handle it.
But...
Walker wants you to dig through the trash. Dumpster for evidence.
But I can do this.
Oh, you're so cute. But now run along. We need a conviction.
All right. But I always get the shitty jobs. First Matlock, now this guy.
Oh, Matlock was such a cute boss, right? Anyhow, hello, everyone. I am Assistant DA, District Attorney, Alex Cahill. This film, which you are about to see, is an account of the tragedy which befell 3 crime-fighting adults, in particular Walker, Texas Ranger, and his girlfriend, Assistant DA Alex Cahill. It is all the more tragic that they...
I was there too, you know.
Yes, but you didn't do much. You got me captured first.
Oh, snap.
It's all the more tragic in that they were young.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that, honey.
But had they lived to see 8 seasons, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history. Walker, Texas Chainsaw Massacre Ranger. Hello, TV dancers.
Bring the music up more.
Definitely our guys, Trivet.
They've unloaded enough firearms to start a small war.
We've seen everybody but one.
So that's 1 or 2 max.
1 or 2, huh? That's what you think?
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Okay, let's go get him, Trivet.
It's not Trivet, it's Trivet.
You know what to do if they give you any trouble.
Yeah, shoot first and come find you later.
Texas Ranger, hands up. You're under arrest for robbery, assault on a peace officer, and for making me miss the rodeo.